Everybody, it's Art West, and tonight I'm going to be testing the strength of split rings. Mustad is a popular manufacturer of hooks, and they also sell split rings. They only offer one type of split ring in various sizes. They're just called nickel round split rings. They size them in millimeters from 10 millimeters down to, it looks like 4.1 millimeters. I have the 5.6 to test, which is equivalent to about 5/16 of an inch. So, for those that use owner rings, it's a little bit bigger than a number 5. The number 5s in the hyper wire split ring from owner test at about 60 pounds. This is a much thinner wire, so I don't suspect it'll last nearly the same. I've got it set up on the digital force gauge in kind of a interesting way here. Where I've got 275 pound multi-threaded steel wire on both sides, affixed to two solid rings, and then I put the split ring kind of in between, and then I'm going to apply force and see how well it holds up, and we can watch it deform and otherwise. So let me zero out the gauge. I'll kind of read it off. I'd rather you guys see how well it does kind of more close up, and then we can look back up at the scale when we're done. So here we go. Since there's really no stretch in this steel, so we're already at 10 pounds. Oh, it's already deforming at 14 pounds. Can you see that? 20 pounds, 24 pounds. So it's basically completely failed at 24 pounds. The gauge is not even going up any further as I kind of open it up here. So not very impressive, as you can tell. 24.2 pounds. Not something that I would put a lot of confidence in for anything of, any game fish of substantial strength. It's flaking a bit. If you're not aware, split rings, you probably want to go with stainless steel every time. Nickel is apparently not a very good material for split rings. And Mustad, that's the only type they offer. So anyway, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it unless it's inshore or pond fishing or something with fish, in the 10 pound or less range that wouldn't go around any structure to create the drag pressure of 20 plus pounds. But it was starting to deform, I think, if I remember right, about 14 pounds. So not great. Anyway, thanks.